History's most devastating wars all follow a similar pattern. One side builds a weapon, and the other side builds a bigger weapon in an arms race. But no one tells you about the arms race that's happening right now in this room. It's been happening since life began between bacteria and the viruses that infect them. So this war starts with an infiltration. The virus injects its DNA inside the bacteria in the hope of going and replicating itself. To deal with this, the bacteria sends out its army, made up of protein soldiers that are trained to find and destroy this foreign DNA by cutting it. But this war, no tactic goes unanswered. And the virus evolves to disguise itself and escape detection by the bacteria. Then the bacteria has to upgrade its surveillance to find this foreign DNA and cut it. So it's this never-ending battle of survival, and it's counter-strike versus camouflage, deception versus detection, and no side can afford to back down. So why is this war important? Why do we care about some random evolutionary race that we can't even see? Well, because we can engineer bacteria to not just cut viral DNA, but to cut human DNA really specifically, allowing us to edit genes. So this has huge potential in treating genetic diseases. And let me introduce you to KJ, who is the first recipient of personalized gene therapy. In my PhD, I'm trying to study one component of the bacterial system, which cuts and rearranges DNA in a process called recombination. In order to be able to use it, I need to first understand how it works in bacteria. So I want to answer two questions. One, what triggers recombination? And two, how often does it happen once it's been triggered? To answer these questions, I grew bacteria for over a month and extracted its DNA. And DNA, it's like a string of letters that ultimately forms a sentence. So when bacteria performs recombination, it rearranges words in that sentence. So I know recombinations happened if the sentence sounds a bit funny. And what I found was that when I grow bacteria under stress-free conditions, then I see just one normal-looking sentence. But as soon as I stress it out by depleting nutrients, then I see 6 different sentences, which means that recombinations happen 6 different times. This is the first step to understanding and exploiting a tool that we can actually control. And hopefully in the future, we can cure many more cute babies like KJ. Thank you.